students. In this video we are going to see quadratic forms. Quadratic forms. Let us see definition. A quadratic form on Rn is a function Q on Rn defined as Q of x is equals to x transpose A into x, where A is an n by n symmetric matrix. Where A is an n by n symmetric matrix. Matrix A is called the matrix of quadratic form. Matrix of quadratic form. A quadratic form Rn is a function on Rn defined as Q of x is equals to x transpose A into x, where A is an n by n symmetric matrix. We have already seen what is a symmetric matrix. Matrix A is called the matrix of quadratic form. This matrix A is matrix of the quadratic form. Okay. Let us see example. A function Q from R2 to R defined as Q of x is equals to x transpose I into x. Here x is belongs to R2. Let x is equals to vector x1 x2, matrix x1 x2. Actually it is a vector. So x transpose I into x, which is equals to x transpose of this vector, it is x1 x2 into I. I is the matrix of order, I is the matrix of identity matrix of order 1, which is equal into x1 into x2, which is equals to, this is x1 x2 into matrix x1 x2, okay, which is equals to x1 square plus x2 square, okay, which is equals to x1 square plus x2 square. This is nothing but norm x square. This is the quadratic form. Okay. This is example number 1. Example number 2. Let Q be defined on R2. Let x is equals to vector x1 x2, which is belongs to R2. Compute x transpose A into x. Compute x transpose A into x. Okay. Solution. X transpose A into x is equals to, x transpose is vector x1 x2 into A. Here A is given matrix 4 0 0 3, where A is equals to this. So 4 matrix 4 0 0 3 into matrix x1 x2. This is nothing but 4x1 3x2 into vector x1 x2, which is equals to actually this is 4x1 square plus 3x2 square. Okay, this is the x transpose A into x. Okay, this is the quadratic form. There is no cross product term present in Q of x as matrix A. Here this matrix is a diagonal matrix. Okay, let us take next example. Example number 3. If matrix A of the given quadratic form, A of the given quadratic form is not a diagonal matrix, but a symmetric matrix, then there exists a cross product terms as shown in this example. What is the example? If matrix A of the given quadratic form is not a diagonal matrix but a symmetric matrix, then there exists a cross product term as shown in this example. Okay, so solution. Actually, we take A is equals to matrix 3 minus 2 minus 2 7. This is the matrix of the given quadratic form, which is not a diagonal matrix but it is a symmetric matrix. Okay, where symmetric means Aij is equals to Aj, where I is not equals to j. Then there exists a cross product terms. We have to show that there exists a cross product terms in the quadratic form. Okay, quadratic form is x transpose into x. Okay, so here x is vector x1 x2, so transpose of x1 x2 into matrix A 3 minus 2 minus 2 7 into x1 x2. Okay, so this is equals to 3x1 minus 2x2. In next element is minus 2x1 plus 7x2. Okay, into x1 x2. So this is nothing but matrix, it is 3x1 square minus 2x1 into x2 minus 2x1 into x2 plus 7 x2 square plus 7x2 square. Okay, this is nothing but 3x1 square. 3x1 square minus 2x1 into x2 minus 2x1 into x2 plus 7x2 square. 3x1 square minus 4x1 into x2 plus 7x2 square. Okay, so this is the quadratic form of a symmetric matrix. Okay, and it has a cross product terms. Cross product terms means in terms of x1 into x2, x2 into x1. Okay, this is the cross product term. Okay, and let's see next example. Fourth number. Compute the quadratic form. Compute the quadratic form. Compute the quadratic form x transpose A into x, where A is equals to matrix 5, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1, and x is equals to matrix 1, 3. Okay, solution. We have to compute the quadratic form. It is very easy. X transpose into A into x. X transpose is 1, 3 into matrix 1, 5, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 into 1, 3. Take multiplication of this. You will get this is matrix 5 plus 1. Next element is 1 by 3 plus 3 into matrix 1, 3, which is equals to 6. This is 10 by 3 into 1, 3. Okay, this is nothing but 6 plus 10, which is equals to 60. So x transpose into A into x is equals to 16, which is means quadratic form of this matrix is 60. Okay, let us take next example. Let us see next example. Find the matrix of the quadratic form 3x1 square minus 4x1 into x2 plus 5x2 square. Assume x belongs to R2. Okay. Here we have quadratic form is given. We have to find the matrix of quadratic form. Okay. Students, remember that the coefficients of square forms are on the main diagonal of matrix. Okay. So solution: matrix for quadratic form. Let give name. We will take. We will give it name as matrix A. So what coefficient of squares forms are on the main diagonal of a matrix. Means this main diagonal entries. Coefficient of the square terms are the entries of main diagonal. Means here 3, 5. Now we have to write down the non-diagonal entries. See here, this entry is A12 and this entry is A21. So compare with this A12 and matrix of quadratic form is a symmetric matrix. So A12 entry is nothing but A21. But here coefficient of this x1 into x2 is minus 4. We have to divide this minus 4 by 2. So the A12 entry is -2 and A21 entry is -2. So this is the matrix of the given quadratic form. Let us take next example. Find matrices of quadratic forms given below in R3. Here Q of x is this and this. Okay, we'll solve one by one. Okay, A is equals to matrix. First of all, we will write down the diagonal elements. The coefficient of square forms are diagonal entries. So diagonal are 3, 2, -5. Okay. To make a symmetry, the coefficient of xi into xj must evenly split between ijth and jth entries in A. So here this is nothing but A12, A13 and A23. Actually this is A21, A31, A32. Here coefficient of actually here is -6. Okay, so divide this -6 by 2, divide this 8 by 2 and divide this 4 by 2. So we will get A12 entry is -3. So A21 entry is also -3. Okay, next is A13 entry is 4. A13 entry is 4. So A31 entry is also 4 and A23 entry is -2. So A32 entry is -2. So this is the matrix of a given quadratic form. Okay, now solve B. Students, see here. Here square terms are absent, so all diagonal entries are 0. Okay, here 1, 2, 3. So it is matrix of order 3 by 3. Actually, we have to find the matrix of quadratic form given in R3. Okay, so here this is 6 by 2. So 3. A12 is 3. A21 is 3. Okay. A13 is -2. So A31 is -2. This is minus A23 is -5. A32 is -5. This is the matrix A. Okay. Let us see. Take next example 7. Compute the value of quadratic form Q of x is equals to x1 square minus 8x1 into x2 minus 5x2 square for x is equals to vector -3, 1. We have solution. We have to compute the value of this quadratic form where x is equals to vector -3, 1. Here we have Q of x is equals to x1 square minus 8 into x1 x2 minus 5x2 square, which is equals to, so here Q of -3, 1 minus 3 square minus 8 into -3 into 1 minus 5 into x2 square. X2 means 1 square. Minus 3 square is 9 minus 8 into -3 minus 5. This is nothing but 9 plus 24 minus 5. This is equals to 28. So uh, q at x is equals to minus 3 comma 1 is equals to 21. Means the value of the quadratic form at x is equals to vector minus 3 1 is 28. Okay. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.